with an 848 behind Marion Still Gates. Niggas started shitting, acting bizarre, driving my cars, fucking my broads, breaking the laws. Same niggas I took care of and got money with was on some funny shit. If I was different, I'd snitch. What would you do if you got millions with niggas and they had no love for you, couldn't pay for your lawyer? I figured, shit, why sit in the cell to rot? I'll be out in 10, start over again, and throw the boys in the pot. But I couldn't do it, and you couldn't understand if you ain't been through it. There's rules to this shit, and I couldn't break them. Death before dishonor, until I meet Satan. I know he waiting. God forgive me. You never seen a nigga like me in your life. What these little niggas rap about, It's me they talking about in they rhymes, nigga. I did that time, nigga. I flipped that time, nigga. Shootouts.